stop scrolling. What if I told you there's a BMW so exclusive, so powerful, and so stunning that it makes every other SUV look ordinary? This BMW X6 M by Asco has a price tag that will shock you and performance that will blow your mind. Trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. So keep watching, because this 5-minute video might just change your definition of a perfect luxury SUV forever. Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the most honest and exciting car reviews from around the world. If you're passionate about luxury cars, performance vehicles, and exclusive automotive content, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. What if I told you there exists a BMW that's even more extreme, more luxurious, and more head-turning than anything you've ever seen? This isn't just any X6M. This is the BMW X6 M by Asco. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you every single angle of this incredible machine and reveal whether it's worth the shocking price tag. Let's start with the exterior, because believe me, this is where the Asco magic truly begins. From the front, you'll notice the aggressively enlarged kidney grille finished in glossy black, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that mean business. The Asco body kit adds wider fenders and a more pronounced front splitter that screams performance. Moving to the side profile, oh what a view! The classic BMW coupe SUV shape gets enhanced with custom Asco side skirts and massive 22-inch alloy wheels finished in matte black. Notice how the roofline sweeps gracefully toward the rear, creating that sporty silhouette that makes this car so distinctive. Now let's walk to the rear. And what a rear it is! The redesigned bumper houses quad exhaust pipes that sound absolutely brutal, complemented by a subtle spoiler integrated into the rear window. The Asco badging on the lower right confirms this isn't your ordinary BMW, but the devil is in the details. Look at these carbon fiber mirror caps, the custom Asco exhaust tips, and the precision in every panel gap. This level of craftsmanship is what separates Asco from regular tuners. Now, let's step inside this masterpiece. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by Merino leather seats with custom Asco embroidery. The dashboard features carbon fiber trims and Alcantara surfaces everywhere you look. Everything you touch feels premium, from the thick M Sport steering wheel to the crystal light gear shifter. The technology here is state-of-the-art. You get the latest iDrive 8 system with curved display, head-up display, and Asco-specific driving modes. The Harman Kardon sound system delivers concert-like audio quality, while the ambient lighting creates whatever mood you desire. But is it practical? Surprisingly, yes. The rear seats offer decent space despite the coupe-like design, and the trunk space is more than enough for weekend getaways. Though let's be honest, you're not buying this car for grocery runs. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the hood lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing over 600 horsepower. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The exhaust note is pure symphony, deep and aggressive when you want it, civilized when you need it. The handling is precisely what you'd expect from an M car. The adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and limited slip differential work together to make this SUV handle like a sports car. Whether you're on Saudi highways or tackling mountain roads, this car feels planted and responsive. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: the price. The BMW X6 M by Asco comes with a premium price tag of approximately 800,000 Saudi riyals. That's about $213,000 US. Is it worth it? If you want exclusive design, earth-shattering performance, and the privilege of owning something truly special, absolutely. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world that you appreciate automotive excellence and aren't afraid to stand out from the crowd. So what do you think? Would you spend this much for the ultimate BMW X6 M? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more incredible car content. Until next time, drive safe and dream big. Thanks you my all friend for watching my videos.